As the long polar nights drag on, the hungry wolves turn to their only other source of food. Arctic hares. They've gathered together in their hundreds for safety. Trying to catch one hare among hundreds is harder than you might think. Even if they do catch one, it's not much of a meal. Sometimes you just have to admit defeat. But life is about to get better for the wolves. For the first time in 6 months, the sun rises above the horizon. Its appearance marks the beginning of half a year of continuous light. The sun's warmth will allow the muskox to give birth, and that will provide easier hunting for the wolves.